The Chevrolet Corvette is more than just a car, it is a symbol of American engineering excellence, a testament to the pursuit of speed, and an enduring icon of automotive passion. Since its introduction in 1953, the Corvette has captured the imagination of car enthusiasts around the world, earning its place as one of the most celebrated sports cars in history. Known as America's sports car, the Corvette represents the perfect blend of performance, style, and innovation. Its story is one of ambition, resilience, and a relentless drive to push the boundaries of what a car can achieve. The Corvette was born out of a desire to create an American sports car that could compete with the best from Europe. In the early 1950s, General Motors designer Harley Earl noticed the growing popularity of European sports cars like the Jaguar XK120 and the MGTD among American drivers. Inspired by these sleek, agile machines, Earl envisioned a car that would combine European sophistication with American power and practicality. The result was the Chevrolet Corvette, a two-seater convertible that made its debut at the GM Motorama show in New York City in 1953. With its fiberglass body, sleek lines, and sporty demeanor, the Corvette was an instant sensation, capturing the hearts of car enthusiasts and setting the stage for a legendary legacy. The first-generation Corvette, known as the C1, was a bold experiment in automotive design. Its fiberglass body was a revolutionary choice at the time, offering a lightweight and durable alternative to traditional steel. The C1 featured a 150 horsepower inline-six engine, which, while not particularly powerful by today's standards, was enough to give the Corvette a spirited performance. However, the early Corvettes faced challenges, including limited production numbers and a lack of consumer interest. It wasn't until the introduction of the small-block V8 engine in 1955 that the Corvette truly began to shine. This engine, which would become a hallmark of the Corvette, transformed the car into a true performance machine, capable of rivaling the best sports cars of its time. As the Corvette evolved, it became a symbol of American innovation and ambition. The second-generation Corvette, or C2, introduced in 1963, marked a turning point in the car's history. Known as the Stingray, the C2 featured a bold, futuristic design that was unlike anything else on the road. Its split rear window, hidden headlights, and muscular stance made it an instant classic. Under the hood, the C2 offered a range of powerful V8 engines, including the legendary 427 cubic inch big block, which delivered breathtaking performance. The C2 also introduced advanced features like independent rear suspension, which improved handling and ride quality. With its combination of style, power, and cutting-edge technology, the C2 solidified the Corvette's reputation as a world-class sports car. The Corvette's success on the racetrack further cemented its status as an automotive icon. From the very beginning, the Corvette was designed with performance in mind, and it quickly became a force to be reckoned with in motorsport. In the 1960s, Corvettes dominated races like the 24 Hours of Le Mans and the SCCA National Championships, showcasing their speed, durability, and versatility. The Corvette's racing pedigree continued to grow over the years, with victories in events like the Rolex 24 at Daytona and the American Le Mans Series. Today, the Corvette remains a dominant force in motorsport, with the Corvette racing team consistently competing at the highest levels of endurance racing. The Corvette's success on the track is a testament to its engineering excellence and its ability to perform under the most demanding conditions. Over the decades, the Corvette has continued to evolve, embracing new technologies and pushing the boundaries of performance. The third-generation Corvette, or C3, introduced in 1968, featured a more aggressive design and a focus on luxury and comfort. The C4, introduced in 1984, brought advanced features like electronic fuel injection and a fully digital dashboard, setting new standards for sports cars. The C5, introduced in 1997, marked a major leap forward in terms of performance and handling, thanks to its hydroformed aluminum frame and rear-mounted transmission. The C6, introduced in 2005, offered even more power and refinement, with features like magnetic ride control and a 7.0-liter V8 engine in the Z06 model. Each generation of the Corvette has built on the legacy of its predecessors, while introducing new innovations that keep it at the forefront of the automotive world. The seventh-generation Corvette, or C7, introduced in 2014, represented a return to the Corvette's roots, with a focus on performance and driver engagement. The C7 featured a bold, aggressive design and a range of powerful engines, including a 6.2-liter V8 in the Stingray model and a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 in the Z06 model. The C7 also introduced advanced technologies like a performance data recorder and a customizable driver mode selector, allowing drivers to tailor the car's performance to their preferences. With its combination of power, precision, and cutting-edge technology, the C7 was a fitting tribute to the Corvette's legacy. In 2020, Chevrolet unveiled the 8th generation Corvette, or C8, marking a revolutionary new chapter in the car's history. For the first time, the Corvette featured a mid-engine layout, a design choice that had long been considered the gold standard for high-performance sports cars. The mid-engine configuration allowed for better weight distribution, improved handling, and enhanced aerodynamics, resulting in a car that was faster, more agile, and more capable than ever before. The C8 also featured a sleek, futuristic design, with sharp lines, aggressive angles, and a driver-focused interior. Under the hood, the C8 was powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine, delivering 495 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque in the Stingray model. The C8's performance was nothing short of breathtaking, with a 0 to 60 mph time of just 2.9 seconds, making it one of the fastest Corvettes ever built. The C8 also represented a major leap forward in terms of technology and innovation. It featured advanced systems like a dual-clutch transmission, magnetic ride control, and a customizable digital dashboard, offering drivers an unparalleled level of control and precision. The C8 also introduced new safety features, including a rear-view camera mirror and a suite of driver assistance technologies. With its combination of performance, style, and cutting-edge technology, the C8 was a bold statement of intent, proving that the Corvette was not just keeping up with the times but leading the way into the future. The Corvette's enduring popularity is a testament to its ability to connect with people on a deep, emotional level. For many, the Corvette is more than just a car, it is a symbol of freedom, adventure, and the thrill of the open road. It represents the joy of driving and the pursuit of excellence, inspiring generations of car enthusiasts to dream big and chase their passions. Whether you're behind the wheel of a classic C1 or a cutting-edge C8, the Corvette offers an experience that is unlike anything else. It is a car that demands to be driven, a machine that rewards skill and precision with unmatched performance and exhilaration. The Corvette's influence extends far beyond the world of cars. It has become a cultural icon, appearing in movies, TV shows, and music, and inspiring countless works of art and literature. The Corvette represents the best of American ingenuity and ambition, a symbol of what can be achieved when we dare to dream and push the boundaries of what is possible. It is a car that has stood the test of time, evolving with the times while staying true to its roots. The Corvette is not just a part of automotive history, it is a part of our cultural fabric, a symbol of the American spirit and the pursuit of excellence. As we look to the future, the Chevrolet Corvette continues to inspire and captivate. It is a living legend, a car that has proven its worth on the road, the track, and in the hearts of car enthusiasts around the world. The Corvette's story is one of passion, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. It is a car that has defied expectations, broken barriers, and set new standards for performance and design. Whether you're a lifelong fan or a newcomer to the world of Corvettes, there's no denying the magic of this iconic car. The Corvette is not just a car, it is a symbol of what it means to dream big, work hard, and never stop pushing the limits of what is possible. In conclusion, the Chevrolet Corvette is a true American icon, a car that has captured the imagination of millions and left an indelible mark on the world. Its story is one of passion, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. From its humble beginnings in 1953 to its status as a global phenomenon, the Corvette has proven that it is more than just a car, it is a symbol of freedom, adventure, and the enduring spirit of the open road. As long as there are roads to travel and dreams to chase, the Chevrolet Corvette will continue to inspire and captivate, reminding us all of the power of the American dream.